U.S. indices grind a little bit higher. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Nasdaq 100 is ever so slightly positive during the early pre-market hours on Monday as we continue the overall upward trajectory. That being said, keep in mind that Thursday has the Federal Reserve interest rate decision coming out, and that will have a major influence on risk appetite. So, the idea of getting excited about the rate cut itself is not how to play this. The market's known that. The reality is, how does the Federal Reserve sound? Do they sound concerned or not? If they sound concerned, that could be bad for the Nasdaq 100. So this is going to come down to interpretation of meaning. So high potential for a pullback later this week. Nonetheless, the overall trajectory is still higher. The Dow Jones 30 is a little bit positive in the early hours here on Monday as we continue to squeeze to the upside. On the chart, I see a rising wedge potentially peaking here, but we'll just have to wait and see. We would need some type of major shift lower to have that fulfilled. As things stand right now, it looks more of a grind to the upside. I still believe the 45,000 level would be a massive support level if we were to drop down to that level. But really, I don't see that being a major uh, issue at the moment. I still think that's more or less going to be a buy on the dip type of environment. The S&P 500 is grinding a little bit higher to new highs as we are breaking the 6,600 level. This is a very bullish move, but very subtle. I think short-term pullbacks continue to be buying opportunities. I think the 6,500 level is going to continue to be a major floor as it was a major resistance. Ultimately, this is a market that the channel, I think, holds. And I do think that Thursday, again, is going to be very important. We probably get a little bit of a dip between now and then, but we'll have to see how the market behaves really on Friday. I think Friday is the key to where we go next. Once everybody has the statement and has calmed down, then we start to look around and see where we go next. It is still bullish at the moment. I have no interest in shorting. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.